like I'm getting my Tupac on with this nose ring and this plaid shirt. I don't know. What y'all think? Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. Hey, if not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I got this beautiful makeup look. If you're interested, please continue to watch. But first, I need you to hit that subscribe button. I post videos every Sunday and Thursday, and you don't want to miss them. Now, let's get into the video.
My best friend didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. Singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn out sweaters, thinking
completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All I did extra was accessorize. I added some gold hoops and a little gold nose ring. Both I purchased from Shein. This puff is from APPAREL. You can get it from any of those sites that I tell you guys about that sell wigs. I believe I got this one from Elevate Styles for like $8. And I have a review out on these green contacts, so go ahead and check that out as well. I will have it linked in the cards up here. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys have learned that you don't have to use a ton of products to look put together, you know, to look pretty. This is something I would wear on a night out with my friends. Actually, this is what I do. I don't wear foundation all the time, especially during the summertime, because it's too hot. So this is just a nice little spring makeup look that you guys can wear. You know, little blush. You can never go wrong with lashes, lip gloss, and blush. Like, I don't know who told the girl eyes that blush is not for melanin skin. It is for our skin. And if you use that blush and bronzer combo that I just showed you, you don't even have to highlight. Look how I got that nice little chiseled cheek. Okay, so enough rambling. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it. Why? Because sharing is caring, and we're trying to grow our little community over here. If you like this video, please comment down below. Tell me what you guys thought about this. Is this something that you would try? Is this simple as I think it is? You know, if it's not, let me know that as well, because I'm sure I can record something or make something that's even more simple. But you know, I feel like this is very good. I look like I have a full face of makeup on, and you guys only saw me use a handful of products. So that's a win in my book. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in my next one.